Are you feeling under more pressure, that decisions are harder, that the world is more complex? Are you afraid more than ever before of being wrong? Turns out you're not alone. Many organizations and individuals are facing unprecedented complexity today across the board, whether it has to do with the pandemic, climate, or complex business decisions in a globalized world. I'm Dr. Lorien Pratt, and my field is decision intelligence, which solves these problems using data as well as human expertise. Join me at the Real Business Intelligence Conference online and everywhere on September 21st and 22nd. At the conference, I'll conduct a live interactive decision intelligence workshop for the very first time. This conference is like no other event you're likely to attend. I hope to see you at the Real Business Intelligence Conference on September 21st and 22nd. Register at the link below. See you there, and together we'll make a difference.